Hi, grade 3-4. Since I can't be there with you, I thought that I'd make a video just to teach you about, or to remind you about our strategies about how to multiply 2 by 1-digit numbers. So for example, today we're going to practice 38 times 3. So there's a few different strategies that we can use. So I have my whiteboard. So 38 times 3 equals, I don't know, let's see what it equals. Okay. So the first thing that I would do, instead of thinking about 38 threes, I'm actually going to switch this around and think of it as 3 times 38. 3 groups of 38. That's, to me, easier to think of than 38 groups of 3. So I'm just going to rewrite it as 3 times 38 equals, okay, obviously we know that they'll equal the same thing. It's just easier to think 3 times 38 are 3 groups of 38. All right, so the first thing that I can do is I can use my repeated addition strategy. So I could think 3 groups of 38, so that could be 38 plus 38 plus 38. All right. So 38 plus 38 plus 38 equals, okay, that will equal the same thing here, here, and here. So now I need to think back to our adding strategies and I need to pick one. The algorithm would work really well for this. You could also use the number line strategy. It's really up to you. Because you're in grade 4 and we should know the algorithm, we're going to use that. So I'm going to line up my numbers, make sure that my tens column lines up with my tens and my ones column lines up with my ones. All right, remember to always start in your ones column. So 8 plus 8 is 16, plus another 8 is 24, or 3 times 8 is 24. So my 4 goes here under the ones, and I bring my 2 over. I carry it. All right, so 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another 3 is 9, 10, 11. 114, that's my answer. All right, 114, 114, 114. Awesome. Okay, now there's a different way you can use to solve this, and I like to think of it as a break apart strategy. So what you could do is you could break apart the 38. So you could do, if I'm thinking here, and the 3 is 30 and the 8 is just 8, right? So I could do 3 times 30 and I could do 3 times 8. That would be okay. So 3 times 30 equals, and then 3 times 8. Sorry, it's supposed to be a times symbol. Okay, so then at the end, if I add both of those numbers together, I should get this because I already know the answer, but I would get the answer to 3 times 38. All right, so I know that 3 times 3 is 9, but I can't forget about that 0. So instead of going 3, 6, 9, I could go 30, 60, 90. So I know that this would equal 90. 3 times 8, I already know that was 24. So now I need to do 90 plus 24. Well, I know that 90 plus 20, so 90, 100, 110, and then I'm adding my leftover 4, that's 114. Yay, so I got the same answer. So either way works. There's lots of other ways you can use to solve it too. You're going to come across lots of these questions when you're practicing the multiply 2-digit numbers in Splash Math, which I'm actually going to assign today. So yeah, if you have any questions, please email me or write in the posts so I can see. I like to try to help even though I can't be there. So, okay, thanks guys. Bye.